Michael Marcus skincare is for everyone. Seriously uncomplicated yet impressively effective. Trusted formulations focus on plant-based and organic ingredients, delivering guaranteed results to make you look and feel your best.
Now, Michael, why do we need, well, we've got the Restore here, the Cellular Moisturiser, and I've been, whipping around and having a look at everything. Why does this stand out from the other creams that you've got, or how is this different?
There's so many things that make this different. Number one, this targets firmness to your skin. So it's different than, say, sagging skin.
Right.
If you're looking in the mirror and you're thinking your skin's sagging, that's a whole different problem. This is about the firmness to your skin, giving it that elasticity. So we're using a couple of really amazing ingredients in this product. And let me just say, it has this was one of the very first moisturizers that I created going back years ago. And it has its own cult following for many reasons. Number one, we're using a ginkgo biloba in it. We're also using vitamins A, C, and E. We're using a ginseng in it for revitalization, which helps to increase that blood flow and circulation. So a lot of really powerful botanical ingredients. One of the things that attracts so many people to this moisturizer is, how whenever you put on a moisturizer and sometimes it feels heavy and greasy, and this doesn't. It absorbs beautifully, leaving your skin with a silky, velvety texture that is unparalleled to anything else. So it increases the skin's firmness, giving it that bounce to it. It's about restoring elasticity, but it's also about smoothing the appearance of the skin. And we do it with a couple of things, especially the ginkgo biloba, which is a detoxifying ingredient. So a fantastic, natural, powerful, botanical.
Now, we're never too young to start. We always say we're ever too old to start, but you're never too young, I think, to start using something like this, and protection and prevention.
Correct. This is also about evening the appearance of the skin tone. So let's say you have a lot of broken capillaries, or how do you say it here?
Capillaries.
Capillaries. Okay. It's capillaries. So it really is about evening. I'm not saying mauve.
Say mauve.
Mauve. Mauve.
Go on, carry on.
Anyway, this is why we're not doing color anymore. No, I'm just kidding. But it really is about smoothing the appearance of the skin and decreasing that redness and inflammation, which makes it so different than many of the other moisturizers that we have.
Okay, so it's got all of those amazing vitamins in there as well, which are going to help to fight the free radicals and protect your skin from all of those environmental aggressors.
The other thing I have to say about this moisturizer is we're using the squalene from olives in it, which again, another powerful humectant. It's a fan favorite for a lot of men because it's not one of those flowery moisturizers. It's a workhorse moisturizer. It does a great job. It has a very light rosemary and lavender scent to it, so it's not a heavy perfume at all.
And it's not heavy on the skin.
No. Let's take a look at some of the before and afters, because do you have that ruddiness to your skin and you're looking to maybe tone down and soften your skin? You're not really ready to start a resurfacing moisturizer.
Right.
But maybe you've got, and you can see in the before and after, you've got that ruddiness.
Look at the chin.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
And again, it's about firming, it's about lifting, but look at how red she is. And it is absolutely boosting collagen production.
Okay, so we can see why it's been a fan favorite for many, many years, and it's time to pick up your Restore Cellular Moisturiser. And I think we always say, if you want to start looking younger today, then you've got to, or start looking younger tomorrow, should I say, you've got to pick up one today.